Hello everyone, welcoming you to Sourav Sir's Classes. And today we are looking at the GATE 2024 economics paper, question number 44. So for a given foreign currency, if the forward exchange rate of delivery is 20 and the current spot exchange rate is 8, then the forward premium is how much? So the expected exchange rate for the future is 20. The current spot exchange rate is 8. That means the forward premium is defined as the expected exchange rate minus the original exchange rate divided by the original. So that is 20 minus 8 by 8. So that is 12 by 8, which is 3.2, which is 1.5. So rounded off to two decimal places, the forward premium is 1.50. That's your answer to question number 44. Thank you.